Dear viewers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. Till our previous lecture, I have just completed till that. So in this lecture, I will show that how we'll insert furnitures or room accessories. Okay, and I'll just show you that. So for that, I'll just go here, ground floor. Okay, so here this is the view of ground floor, right? So here this is the view of ground floor. Now what I'll do actually, so here actually this is not hidden, okay, this is not showing. Okay, and also yeah, this is not a problem actually. Okay, so when we're here, now what we'll do to insert, okay, to insert room accessories, what do we have to do actually? I'll just close that. So to insert room accessories, again I'll click here if this is not available here. Okay, so suppose consider that the room accessories is not available here. Now how we'll insert that? So before inserting room accessories, uh, consider that we'll not apply room accessories in our floor, but before that, okay, before that I just want to mark our the room. Okay, we have to mark our room. So for that, what I'll do actually, I'll just come here the room. Okay, so by here, by clicking here, we can mark our room. So also you can use this text here by using the text, but this is not a good practice. So to use the room, I hope that will be okay. And obviously consider that this is your tag 1, this should be 1. Okay, this should be on, so this is off and this is 1. So here this is the first room. Okay, this is the first room. Here just see like that, this is room 1, then room 2, here room 3, here room 4, here room 5, room 6 and room 7, and we'll change everything. Just see here actually why we'll use that. So if we use that system, then we are able to change that its color for different types of place, for different color. Okay, and for here we'll just, so here are dining and living. And also if you want that you will, I mean if you want to divide that portion, that what we'll do actually, so to create that, okay, to create that escape, sorry, okay, it's okay. And if you want to separate your room, so there have a option room separator, right? So if you have to click here, and from here you have to take that line, from here take the line. So suppose from that point to that point it will be one room. Okay, and escape here, and for that room, so from that point to that point it will be another room segment. Okay, so when it's here, now escape. Okay, and now if you click here, or we'll just delete that. Okay, just, so here now what we'll do, we'll again come here room. Just see now we can move it here, and I hope we can rename it. Okay, we can rename it or we can delete that. So after that what we'll do, I'll again go here room. So here I'll just give a portion, here I'll give a portion, and here, so just see I have divided. And also if you want to room separator, if I click, so here with respect to that point, okay, from that point to that point, or from that side with respect to that point, here integrator should be shown here. So from that point to that point, suppose. So this is our another room segment. So I'll go architecture, then room, then here also I'll take a, this is our approach. Okay, approach. So here it's done, right? Here is done. Now what we'll do at the room, we can edit here, double click. So room, this is considered that this is R1 or room 1, then room 2, room 3, room 4, and here toilet, adjusted toilet, right? So here, and you can, sorry, this is toilet, you can give a toilet 1 T1, and this is T, so this is T1, and this is T toilet 2. Okay, this is kitchen. I'm just giving a short name. You can give it kitchen, and you can delete that. Okay, so here kitchen 1. So this should be, this can be dining, or okay, this can be dining room. Here we can set a dining, sorry, dining or anything, or the free space. Okay, so living, like that. So, and here, okay, here we can give here a restroom, or here a, just nothing. So we can consider that, we can delete that, sorry, escape it, no, so we can delete that without any problem. Okay, so here we have done that, we have done everything, and we are seeing that here the size is not okay. So what we can do, that we can change the scale. So here 1 by 8, 1 by 3 6 if you consider. Now I hope it's okay now, right? For 1 by 3 4, I think it's okay, right? So here it's okay now, and this is not room, so that should be living room. Okay, just you have to manage that as per your requirement, and this is the approach. Okay, we'll consider that approach AWP. I'm just giving a short value here, 0. Okay, so, and also you can move that as per your requirement where you need to move that, and here if you think that you can move that. So here, like that. So when our we have defined our room perfectly, then what we'll do, we'll just assign, we'll assign different types of furnitures here. So before that we have to create, consider that here will not assign anything. Okay, we'll create a, will show our furnitures in another plan or another floor plan. So what we'll do, I'll create a duplicate view, then duplicate with detailing. Okay, so here I create a portion, have created, right click, then we'll use rename and floor plan to for furniture. Okay, F, and just you can give your name as per your requirement. So this is for our plan, and this is for floor for furniture. Okay, so what we'll do, when it's here now, we'll just go for our final text. What we'll do here, just we'll come here, architecture, then component, then place a component. Okay, place a component. So when we are here, just see they have many types of component available. Okay, they have many types of component available here, but if you think that you need different types of component, okay, if you need different types of component, then you have to click here load family. So from here we'll just go here furniture. If you're in a furniture, and the furniture system or furniture, so I'll double click here for furniture. So they have many types of furniture. Just view, thumbnails view, we'll see in thumbnails view. So here this is the TV mirror, and this is the TV stand. Okay, and this first of all for bed, so I'll double click here. Just see they have many types of bed here. If I click here, so this is the single bed. So here they have many types of bed here. You can take any of it what you need actually. So I'm just considering that one. Okay, I'm considering that one, and I'm just clicking open. So here and also you are able to change its size from here. Okay, for bed, and this is queen, king, and this is for queen. Okay, this is for king, and this is for aspect recruitment you can consider. Okay, so I'm just here taking, and if you need to rotate that, simply press space button, again space button, like that. So I'm just considering that here our bed will be here. Okay, so consider our bed will be here, one bed, and here another bed. Then I'll just move it, rotate it. Okay, and here another bed, like that. Or you can place here as per your requirement, actually where you need you can do that. So here after that, again I'll just go load family, double skip, then again component, then place a component, then family. So after that I'll just go furniture. Okay, suppose before that I will just place the our for toilet element. So what we'll do, actually I'll just go here for plumbing. Okay, where is the plumbing? Here the plumbing, and from here architectural or RMP, it's up to you. Equipment, here the water heads, I'll just go back. Actually the bathtub, closet, where is the closet? Shower, here the bathtub, you can consider any of it, or you can take it from here. Then equipment, so control Z or go back. Then architectural, then equipment, here water heater, water. Here we can, here the water closet. So here just take any of it, so I'm just taking that one and open. So after that you can change its dimension from here as we have shown in previous. Okay, and consider here I'll just give, okay, here, and also you can move that like that as per your requirement. So I'm just giving here, and similarly I'm just, otherwise actually this is not a good practice. The good practice is you should place both water closet in near, because if we do that then our plumbing work will be easy. Okay, but I am just showing you here. So it's done. See, in this way we can do that, escape. Then again I'll just go for family load, and from here I'll just go plumbing. Actually they have many things. Okay, they have many things, and you can do that. So here, then bed, storage, table. So I just go table, and here I can take a, okay, these types of table, I mean for dining table. I'm just taking a dining table, and also you are able to change that value. Okay, so here I'm just giving here, consider here I'm just anywhere, or any of the room, or anywhere I can give a, suppose here if I just give a dining table like that. Okay, so I think it's okay. After that again just go component and place a component. After that load family. So after that furniture, so after that table, storage. Just we can take different types of here, one type of storage here, another storage here, another. So I'm just taking that on for our storage, open. And also you are able to change your dimension from here, right? So so where, suppose in your room you want to take a storage here, so you can just give it here, just like that. Okay, and for that room Also here you are able to give a storage. Okay, actually it's up to you, so I'm just skipping. Again I'm just going load family, and from here furniture system, you can go here for furniture system. I'm just going back for again for furniture, then setting. In setting we can consider sofa. This is for double sofa, and this is for single sofa, and they have some chair. Okay, actually they have many things. They have a sofa, different other types of sofa. So consider we can consider that types of sofa open, and I'll just press shift to move that. Okay, so otherwise we can move that here. So consider we'll provide some sofa here, like that, and we can take a single sofa here. Furniture setting. So if I consider a single sofa here, here actually you have to manage your room, like how you requirement. So when it's done, I'm not going to show you much more. From there you are able to do decoration your room. So after that I'll just go have view. Okay, I have 3D view, or from here also you are able to see, double click here for 3D view. Just then press shift and middle button of your mouse, and you'll be able to see your wall things here. Just see, here is a sofa and everything is available here. Here is your bed, here is your bed, right? Here is your bed here. But if I show you one thing, that actually this is not okay, right? This is not okay. So what I'll do, I'll just select, just press your mouse and move it. Again click here, and I think shift, now it's okay, right? Now it's okay. So for better understanding we can change that. For we can change color. Okay, just see here another, and for realistic, wait for some time. So here realistic view, right? And also, so in this way you can input your all furniture or what you actually required. You can input that here as per your requirement, right? And also in our next lecture I'm just going to show you that how we'll create our bottom and top. Okay, bottom and top for roof and our the plinth level. So thank you very much. Still stay connected till next video.